Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're looking at how to take the body measurements. The measurement we'll be working with is as shown on the screen. Stay tuned. So the first measurement is from your shoulder to your bust measurement. So how to take this, you put the tape rule on your shoulder and then to the peak of your bust, as you can see. So that's how you take your bust point measurement. If you are taking this measurement by yourself, it's better to do this in front of a mirror. Next measurement is our under bust length. How to take this is you place your tape rule on your shoulder and then to your under bust and take your reading. The next measurement is our half length measurement or the upper waist measurement. So it's the curved area of your waist. That's where you take the measurement, or 2 inches above your navel point. I've adjusted the waistband of my pants to be at the point of my waistline of my half length. So what you do is to place your tape on your shoulder to the place where you have marked as your half length. Make sure to pass it across your bust and not as you can see, this measurement is wrong, so you have to make sure it goes across your bust to avoid shortening after measurements. Measurement is from your shoulder to your waistline. So how you take this is by placing the tape rule 2 inches below your half length or on your navel point. How you do this is place the tape rule on your shoulder and then to your waistline and take your reading. Take your hip measurement. What you need to do is to place your tape rule on your shoulder to the curviest part of your hip. As you can see, make sure it passes through your bust, across your bust to the curviest part of your hip. And then you need to do this while in front of a mirror so you can easily see where your hip curve is, and then you take your reading. So to take your waist to hip measurement, this is determined by where you like your waistline to start from. If you want your waistline to start from the lower waist, then you take that, but for me, I like to go from my half length. So from my half length to the curviest part of my hip will give me my waist to hip measurements. The next measurement we'll be working with is from our waist to knee measurement. How to take this is placing your tape rule on your waistline and then using a mirror. If you don't have any assistance, take your reading on where the tape stop on your knee. So as you can see, this is how you take the measurement. So this measurement is usually tricky, so you don't need to bend or while taking this measurement, so a mirror will be advised. Next measurement that we are taking is from our waistline to our ankle measurement. So this is usually a very tricky one. So how you take this is from what you can see on the screen. I usually like to stand on the tip until it's okay, adjustable, and then using a mirror I take my reading. Or you can also use a tape to mark the point where your ankle is, and then using your tape you take your measurement from your ankle to your waist and take your reading. To determine your crotch length, what you need to do is to pass your tape rule across your legs like so, and then you take your reading. Make sure it's properly placed and not too tight, just very comfortable, and then you take your reading from your back to your front. For horizontal measurement, we'll be starting with our shoulder measurement. So to take your shoulder measurement, place your tape rule on on your shoulder blade like so, or your shoulder joint to the next one and take your reading. For your bust circumference, what you need to do is to pass your tape across your bust like so. That's the highest part of your bust like so, and then you take your reading. So to take this reading, make sure the bust area is not tight. As you can see, this is okay. So if you're taking this measurement, make sure the bust area is not tight. What I mean is by this, there should not be a bump like that. So adjust it properly until you get the accurate measurements, and then you take your reading. Ensure to wear a bra while comfortable bra while taking this measurement, so as to have accurate bust point measurement. For your under bust, place your tape rule like so on your under bust. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose while taking this measurement, and then you take your reading. For your half length circumference, place the tape rule on your half length like so. As you can see, make sure it's not too tight or too loose while taking this measurement. So for my waist measurement, I usually go 2 inches below my half length or my navel point, and then I take my reading. Then I place my tape rule on my waist like so, and then I take my reading. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose. To take your hip measurements, what you need to do is to pass your tape rule on the highest point of your hip like so, and then you take your reading. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose while taking this measurement. To take your sleeve length measurement, place the tape rule on your shoulder blade like so, and then you take your reading. Is depending on where you want your sleeve to be, you place your tape rule and then you take your reading. Your sleeve circumference is determined by the where you want your sleeve length to be, so just place your tape rule like so. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose, and you take your reading. So that's it all for today, guys. So if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, bye.